All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm the Struggling Day Trader. Currently on a nasty red streak, coming off of my best week of the year, which before that was my worst week of the year. And I think now this is probably my worst week of the year. But I think I know what's wrong, and today is step one in fixing it. So, yeah. A little early today, which is good. Um, the only thing that I have on my watch list right now is PRTG, and I'm hoping you guys can come help me out. But you know what? If this is all there is, then that's all there is, and maybe I'll get my first no trade day. Let's see. Yeah, I got nothing. Yeah, I don't know. Video don't look like it's anything good going on. Low 51.47. Man, y'all think MLGO could go again? Hmm. Watch it. Hey. Salam. Inshallah. That's the plan, bro. That's the plan. Hmm. How's your trading been, Mood? Deli Bite? What's up, Wave Rider? Been catching them waves, bro? It's Ion Q talking about it. Everything's flat. Yeah, that's my weakness there, Deli. I gotta be more patient for sure, and take fewer trades. Got some new stuff popping up on the Gap list here. EIX. Nope. And Nvidia's popped up now. SMCI. Rocket Lab. U.S. Space Force awards national security contracts to Rocket Lab and Stoke Space. What a farce. But, you know. Okay, it's got a good art wall. I think we can mess with Rocket Lab. I mean, ideally over 2039 or 45. All right, so yo, what's up, Pond? You got anything looking good, Pond? I got like two small caps. And what you think about Rocky Lab? I mean, it's starting to move up. Got this high, these highs. Mastering 3 stocks. Hmm. I like that, Deli. Ion Q kind of it's just it'd have to really get after it. Like definitely over 25.20. That's a long way. Okay. Cool. Well, I got 3 then. I got Rocket Lab and then 2 small caps. PRTG, which I like over this level here, 1289. But we got this guy to fight through. Definitely seems like it pops and gets slapped. All right, well, I guess that's it. I got 3 then. Rocket Lab, PRTG, and MLGO. Let's run through ZenBot real quick. Yeah, let's check out some stuff here. Spot. Spot's too expensive. AstraZeneca. This what I traded. Did I trade this yesterday? Was that AZN? It look even better today. Just not have any volume. I don't think I traded this yesterday. Hmm. What you think about AZN? What you think about these low volume joints, Pond? I think the daily on AZN is quite curious. I like low volume grinders too, but yeah, you can definitely get chopped up on the one. Actually, man, I've really been ready to trade everything on the 5, bro. Dicey. Yeah. What makes it dicey? This big candle. Mm. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Mm-hmm. What else we got over here? Dash. Kind of looks backside, honestly. Mm. APP is like nice pre-market, but yesterday's candle was pretty terrible, and we're inside of that. Mm. 5-minute warning. All right, let's go through. Oh, really? Got my picks. Now we just be patient. Let things open. Man, I'm so sleepy. Driving is like Russian roulette. Oh man, the last couple times I've been in a car, it's just like, oh my God, it's so stressful because it's so hard to stay awake. I don't have any time for a nap or anything today either. Hmm. All right. Okay. So y'all remember when I used to talk about the deer stand and my hunting buddy, how he sometimes goes out for a couple days and doesn't even shoot, like doesn't even see anything, just out there waiting for a couple days and just come home like, yeah, I just sat out there and was really cold for a few days and never saw anything. Like that's where I want to get to. Cause right now I'm shooting in the deer stand and I'm just, is that a deer? And I'm just shooting shooting logs and trees and gophers and foxes and rabbits and still ain't hit a deer yet, you know. So I gotta be patient. I just want to sit back and wait. FOMO's been super bad. FOMO's always been bad. I just hadn't really recognized it because it seems like, oh, your entries are bad, or oh, it's just all about being afraid to miss out. Even when there's nothing to trade and I'm still trading, you know. Yeah, I definitely want to spend more time mapping out levels for the things that I trade. I used to do it a lot. I used to do it a lot. Focus on Rocket Lab early. Mm, it's a nice little pullback there, ain't it? To yesterday's high. Yo, this looks really good.
Order filled.
I know that's super early. I don't know why sometimes I just have to see the wrong way. Yeah. And I wasn't even on the one to see lie. I want to jump back out because I know it's unreasonable. It's the one right here. Where'd that little tail come from? There's the 5-minute candle. Hmm.
Order filled.
Down half a R on PTRG right here. PRTG. MLGO. About to halt. Almost. Golly.
Order filled.
Well, that was that pop, huh? What the heck, bro? Dang, MLGO did the same thing. That's crazy. Bruh. That was wild. That's why I don't like these small caps. Dang, bruh. 2R. That was wild. Yeah, you show online, bruh. What made you not trust it? Oh, but they weren't taking profit. Huh.
Order filled.
All right. So, two dumb trades so far. And yeah, it's not looking good today. Two silly trades way too early. Got full size on the short bear. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I'm really out of my league trading these small caps because I'm not tuned into all that stuff. All right. I know. Come back to the X. What up, Gus? I know, bro. Appreciate it, Bear. I didn't make clear my plan. I really wanted to wait at least for the first 5 minutes. Um, I don't think I'd be in anything at all if I did that, or would have traded anything at all. But we here. We are here. Probably one more little tail down, I would imagine. Before I take a trade today, I will wait to see the resolution of yesterday's low of day. Hmm. Well, at least they let me out before the halt. uh, take this. No, I'm tripping. It's downtrending. I like that 5 candle though, but we got these top tails right here, bruh. I really do. That's a nice 5 minute candle, yo. Higher high, higher low. I don't know, man. I feel like it's worth it.
Order filled.
Oh, so you talking about the market, the entire market? Mm, to see if it breaks yesterday's low, which it looks like it already has. Yeah, I did. Hmm. It makes a lot of sense, Gus. Hmm.
Order filled.
Wow, PTRG gap down quite a bit there. Well, yeah, tell me about it, Gus. That was man, I had like almost 5R on the table and just did nothing. That was definitely upsetting. Sorry about that. Me too, Gus. It feels so close, man, and then it just like slips right out of my hands, man. Take my order. Hmm. did that. uh, you gonna take my order? What's the deal? Oh gosh.
Order filled.
Golly.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nah, don't flush, bro. Dang, AZN went, bro. Dang. That's funny. Way to go, Gus. I'll be like you when I grow up, man. Wow, that's a nice retake of the EMA right there. Five still below, but it is running up now. Rocket Lab's looking good. AZN's looking good. But nothing's looking better than MLGO right now. Yesterday's high is 2074. Yo, what up, GTD? GDT stock trading? um, couple dumb trades to start off the day, but I think we're looking all right now. It's been a rough week, man. It's been a rough week. I got a nice, massive hole um, that definitely is not going to dig out by the end of March. But I mean, unless MLGO goes to 30 or something. Dang, Rocket Lab, what is that? Mm. Okay, the 5 is closed over, but I'd say this puppy's in play. This was the entry though, but this isn't bad up here. It's a long tail.
Order filled.
Let's hold that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get it out. Get it out. No, get it out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, oh my god, I wish I would have caught that. Oh, I wish I would have caught that. Ah man, am I gonna lose another R messing around with this? I know, bro. I know. Just needed to be patient. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be patient one day. What a cool trade.
Order filled.
Oh wow, that was so dumb. Look at this nasty entry. Yeah, we chilling. Let's just chill over here.
Order filled.
Good lord. I need more shares. Oh, it's nice to run into this problem again. What the heck? What is this? Did I do that? Oh, that's my little trend line I drew. Okay. All right, Pon. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hella missed AZN over here. Hella missed it. I know, right? The patience. And this was a 5 minute play. I bought this on the 5. I think these small caps could be hella cool on the 5. Just bought this nice little hammer, bought the break, stop under the lows. Where we going, man? $20? 2074 is yesterday's high, man. I kind of want to hold to not sell anything else until 20. What's this? We got to 1940. Yeah, I'm gonna try to chill. We'll sell 1 through 20, and maybe, or maybe we just wait for yesterday's high. I mean, we already done ate real good on this thing. Ah, I know, right? You was in there with 11. Killer trade. Trying to see is this going double top or not. Kind of want to put my stop there, but I don't want to. This thing acting finicky right here. You think so? All right, I'm about to chill then. Oh, I'm mad I missed AZN, bro. It's choppy as heck. I literally started to buy it down here, but that was reckless. So, it's all good. Can't catch them all. Now I'm thinking, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. Our entry's way good. I'm sitting like Leon yesterday. Although Leon's entry would have been like 15. Hmm. That's kind of a good sign right there. That's looking like a good sign right there. Mm-hmm. Now we just need the buyers. Come on, push it up. What's up, signature? Whoa. Yeah, I saw Nvidia gapping up, but the daily looked terrible. So I didn't even. Yeah, the market's tanking, huh? Wow, it sure is. Break 558. It's a wrap. Hmm. Nah, I'm feeling like AZN and went somewhere. It's only, went like 30 cent. Don't do it. You must bounce the trend line. Really want to stay in this for a little while, but yeah, that's a good stop. Break that amount. Short is small, 1863. I might as well go to break even now. I should have stopped out up there. That's what I'm supposed to do. Took a starter to 17. Okay, Leon. I'm not gonna survive. Yeah, I mean, it'd be better just to stop out up here and then buy back in at lows. But we'll see. We'll see. We had 5.5 R on this thing, so I think that's enough to feel comfortable giving it some room. What's up, Jack? Yeah, had a rough start, but got my act together over here on MLGO. Looking decent so far. I mean, it's looking great, but trying to see what else we can get from it. This might be the end of the road here.
Order filled.
Could have definitely take gotten out up here. That's usually what I do. I try to, like this candle right here struggling to get past this high. That was clear enough sign to raise my stop and get out. But dump day. You still in there, Bear? 1863. Yo, what a short if you're still in there, bro. That's crazy. I think I want this over 13, yo.
Order filled.
This is pretty wild, strategically, but I think I see something. Yeah, I definitely had some reasons where I could have got out of there for sure. Either the EMA or the trend line. Like, what up, Brandon? Oversleep in the open. It is, but we're not in that crazy of a range from pre-market. And I don't know, bro. I just can feel like these turns get kind of obvious. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's shorts love those pops. Oh, for real. Hmm. Brandon said it's me. Hmm. Hmm.
Order filled. Man, just needed a few more cents to hold on to this thing. But nah, I should have just got out way up here. That was silly. That was way silly. All right, Bear. Thanks, RJ. I'm trying. Mm, yeah, I feel that, Jack. I don't think AZN is worth even trading, bro. Got no volume. PTRG gonna take another R from me today. Yeah, today was the day to say F it on the shorts, Jack. Spy just going straight down, bro. Yeah. Tariff, tariff, tariff. It's definitely the buzzword of 2025. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that'd have been a cool trade on the SQs. I wasn't even thinking that. Actually, trading these small caps, I wasn't thinking about the spy at all.
Order filled.
Come on, you gotta go now. Definitely does not have to go. I sure like it though. I don't like that. Make me want to put my stop under this candle right here. Give it room though. Ah man.
Order filled.
Bruh. That was my fault. It's downtrending. Golly, they did me so dirty on that one. Oh, does it? I probably could turn it down a little bit. My bad. I think it is pretty loud. Dang, man. That was super dirty, bro. Oh, well, that was a stop out, unfortunately. We definitely got to stop playing below the EMAs and stuff. Looked cool. I think Bear was right on that one. That was a nice little pop for some shorts to pile in and find an opportunity. It's a bit annoying. Gosh, PTRG.
Order filled.
On both of them? The same two I did, OG? Dang. Yeah, I got slapped up bad. Especially on PRTG. I guess I did it to myself adding, but yeah, for sure. That's not looking good now either. Yeah. Hmm. I like doing both.
Order filled.
I like taking some as it's going up and then dragging my stop as well. That might be a little too aggressive right there. No, I don't think that's too aggressive. What up, Trey? Oh, I got you. You do contracts? He trying to be Trey. I'm cloud muddying up the waters with this man. PTRG. I got I don't know what you call it when your stop gets slipped. Slippage, I guess. I got slippage on both of my stop outs on PRTG. So yeah, that sucks a lot. Slippage, yeah. But other than that, I mean, it hasn't been a terrible morning. This was a pretty sucky trade. Yeah, Rocket Lab trades were trash. Um, but MLGO is pretty nice. Yeah, I'm real upset at PRTG, bro. I want my money back. I want Mars back, bro. MLGO's looking volatile. Oh man. Yeah, Billy's treacherous, man. Yeah, I want it back bad, but I definitely need to see some. Come on, dog. That's enough dip. I like that too, Trey. Point three is pretty weak. 0.38. But when they're really strong, it's legit. But I definitely like the slightly deeper retracement. 50% is really nice. Yeah. Quality over quantity. Yeah, that's definitely what it's about. Definitely. And this thing got a little spread on her. Yeah. I've definitely hurt myself by trading too much. First trade on MLGO was 20 minutes in. And my other two were what, right at the open pretty much. Rocket Lab in the second minute. On the 5 too, which is retarded. PRTG was. At least I waited for the 5 to close on this, but that wasn't it. Yeah, appreciate it, Trey. It was real cool. I enjoyed it. Yeah. Yeah, it's giving me those feels as well. The volume isn't really picking up at all.
Order filled.
Well, it was almost a good day. This wasn't a good re-entry though. Maybe this, but it wouldn't have triggered and I would have been safe. Waiting for it to trade over the EMA, come back and retest. DBVT. Rangy. 0 trades on the day, Trey? Okay. Man, I almost jumped in the Rocket Lab. Hop on the 5 back up to the EMA. Oh. Oh, really? Is that a good thing? Talked you out of a few bad ones? Man, I was just about to get Rocket Lab right there. Mm. mm. Dang it, Rocket Lab. The 5 minute setup was there though. That's what I should have taken. And then it gave me one more little chance right there. Yeah, see if I would have considered like, okay, the 5 is triggered. Where can we get in on the 1? This was it. Oh, look at the R's that would have gotten me too. Crazy. Now what? 1903, we got a new high right there, so that's pretty nice. We get a little 2 candle pullback, and I mean, we good to go. Although the 5 is still below. Actually, the 5 is almost, and it's below yesterday's high too. Yeah, I'm tripping. That's why I didn't take it. If I were to be looking for max RR, where should I buy, higher or lower? Yeah, say that's pretty easy answer. I hope so.
Order filled.
I'm just worried about the 5 bouncing off the EMA and just coming right back down. Pretty good volume coming in though. I wish I'd have gotten in down here, honestly, but that's not really in line with the rules. At least wait for the EMA to be retaken on one time frame. Yeah, my accuracy stats last week were they floated between like 47% and 38%, something like that. Which is way higher than normal cuz usually I've been floating under 30, like 20 something. Yeah, see, this is the worry. 1913. MLGO looking kind of good on the 5, man. I just don't want to get slapped up again. I gotta see at least a higher high over here though, over 17.5 maybe. Oh, you still in MLGO? That's what's up. Illiquid. Oh wow, yeah, that 5 is really cool. Man, that 5 is cool. It wasn't at the bottom of the range, which is like also the best place to buy it. Ah, for the sake of revenge, man. Where's the volume though? I mean, this does look. Short's got to cover at some point.
Order filled.
Here we go. Low 33. We'll go 29. Come on, Rocket Lab. Well, that's disheartening, Paul. But it is starting to look like a breakdown. Oh well, we're in it now. Mm-hmm. Nice call, Trey.
Order filled.
Well, stop break even on PRTG, and Rocket Lab sucks, just like Uncle Ball said. Uh-oh. Really? I didn't think I was gambling. I thought this was pretty good. Retake of the EMA. I wanted it right here. Waited for the higher high, higher low. Only problem is it's below yesterday's high and pretty decent downtrend here. That part. Yeah, the old bounce off the EMA right there. Let's see though. Might hold. Might hold. That's a pretty clean move up and pull back. Oh, I thought that was Leon that said that. Yeah, I know, Paul. I'm trying to dial that in. I mean, it does reverse. There are reversals, but I hear you. It's not a reversal till it is. Oh, you out of there already, Trey? I saw some too, so we good.
Order filled.
Home runner. My data's too jacked up, man. I can't really give you a rate because I'm often trading outside of my strategy. But um I seem to do pretty good when I follow my strategy and trade uptrending stocks. And seem to do pretty bad when I don't. um nah, I've been trading a long time, man. I started in
Order filled.
damn. Was that Rocket Lab? Okay. Another Argon there. Is AI really? Yeah, I started trading right before COVID shut the world down in 2020. Yup. But I actually took my first trade before COVID hit. But I guess I'm still grouped in the COVID era of traders. Yeah. Really? That's cool, Brandon. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I have a pretty solid strategy based on, the last few years of trading. Um, I just struggle to execute it consistently. I could have made it work. I was just late to the game. This is where I actually wanted to enter on the five, but I hear you. It's a pretty solid inside Harami that went like 3R, but I mean, there's definitely better things to trade. I mean, it's downtrending. Kind of just trying to figure out a way for this not to be a terrible day, but I think that's pretty much sealed at this point. Yeah, it is. All right, so
Order filled.
well, everything on my watch is downtrending. Could have figured that out a long time ago, actually. Um, yeah, that's pretty clear at this point. The mistakes hurt me a lot because they mess with my psychology, I guess. But like that first trade is so important, man. And I just totally just ran up in Rocket Lab. I was watching it on the 5 because I wanted to wait for it to close. And it made a really nice looking hammer candle and I was just like, "Oh." uh, I want the triggers on the 5 and I want the entry on the 1. And um I just don't see situations where I'm going to be have a legitimate reason to enter a trade in the first 5 minutes. That's one thing I think would be huge if I can just consistently wait 15 minutes without the FOMO of missing the run. Like I don't think I don't know that I would have wanted to trade Rocket Lab uh in this downtrend. This was actually pretty nice. This was the best thing going on Rocket Lab today. And I bought the top. Well, I missed that, so I was FOMOing up there. But yeah, man, wait 10, 15 minutes and let the stock show you which direction it wants to go. And then you pick from there. Man, I just can't believe I got out way down here, bro. Trying to hold for the bounce to 20, but I mean, this right here should have fast up, man. Fast up, fast down. I always forget that. I actually like that, Leon. I mean, I don't know what my 2 cent is worth, but I like the big volume and then the slight move lower afterwards. And I ain't got nothing on my chart that follows the market except maybe Rocket Lab.
Order filled.
Yeah, at this point in the day, it gets really hard to be strict on the strategy because it's just like on a Friday. Well, when you put it like that, Paul, Am I, Trey? Yo, man, I appreciate you, RJ. Appreciate you offering a little perspective, but what is this thing doing on the one? Ah, yeah, we about to go. Yo, wow. Nah, this ain't crashing out. uh, yeah, I really want to spend some time this weekend and restructure this whole thing, OG. And my approach definitely needs a lot of adjustment. And just the way I'm thinking about it, like when I get to this point in my day, um, like if I'm red and I got an R left, like I'm gonna throw it out there. Even though I definitely believe it's better to just take your just save that R for the next day. You know, obviously everything's downtrending. Um, that R would be better spent on a day where I have more clear opportunities to trade, but it's just like this part of me that just doesn't want to accept such a bad day, which inevitably makes it even worse. But um, there are some thoughts going into these trades. Like I'm not just like super willy nilly, like not even an idea, but just like buying it. So I do get things from these losses, but most of the time I get that don't do that anymore. um, Still doing good. You don't think it was in play this morning? It's still up 2% on the day from yesterday. It's got 12 million shares traded. Like, actually looks decent on the 5. But yeah, volume's hella low. Man, Pharaoh, that's a word right there, bro. Looks dead. Well, we about to find out with my R. Yeah, that part. So if it works, it's absolute total luck, no skill whatsoever. Just let me know right now. Oh yeah, that's Uncle Paul. He always keep it a buck. People come in here act like everybody be glazing, but it'd be some decent accountability going on in here. Appreciate it, Trey. Yeah, we gonna make it. Um, Man, I tell you what, Trey, though, felt super good to flip back to this take profit strategy and to see it shine on my first day. You know, like that's clearly where I need to be at. Uh, Half offer at 2R is dead. Only thing I didn't do great on MLGO was tighten up my stop at this double top right here. That's the only thing I didn't do. Yeah, just got this dying position in Rocket Lab. That's it. This will be my last stop of the day. Yep. MLGO showing signs of life again. Gosh, Rocket Lab's taking forever to die. Hmm. That's an interesting idea. Uh, Kevin? Let's call you Kev. Um, what time frame you looking at, Leon? Are you looking at like the NQs or something, huh? He probably doesn't. Do the charts match up? The SPY and the NQs? I don't know, man. It kind of looked like it want to drop again. I do like this candle. Golly, bug, killing me slowly.
Order filled.
How'd I do with my daily setup today? Rocket Lab was... My execution was just trash on Rocket Lab. I think this could have been a real cool trade. Not really. It's downtrending. Not when you bought. That's hilarious, Paul. Yeah, kind of the same old thing that I'm just gonna trade whatever's in front of me. And if it's something good, then I usually get good results. But if it's trash, then I get trash results. It's the main thing is just staying out of the bad trades and being like of clear enough mind to look at this chart and see that it's making lower lows and lower highs. I do like this just because it's at yesterday's high and the EMA crossover and all of that. But buying it up here is absolutely ridiculous. I could have bought here and made out break even at least. Hopefully, I would have taken some shares out up there, but um, this was the only reasonable entry on this whole chart. I've been thinking about that a lot, but one, the MACD is super ugly on this platform. And what else? It is ugly. Hella. Yeah, I just the EMA honestly is plenty. The EMA is plenty, but if I'm not paying attention, like if I'm not uh using it as my cue, like is it uptrending, is it downtrending? Yeah, it's the 20 EMA is plenty. I just got to get my act together, man. It's good for seeing momentum. When the bands move away from the histogram. Yeah, it doesn't need to be as complicated as I'm making it. There's a Billy indicator. Yeah. Well, I'm out. I'm not going to make my platform kick me out today. 5R is plenty. 5R is plenty. Dang, man. So long, man. And it's me. It's hella me, man. Like I just keep going in circles, going from the 1 to the 5, watching 3 charts, watching 6 charts, watching 9 charts, back down to 3, 2R all or nothing, 3R all or nothing, half off at 2R, partials on the way up. Small caps, large caps, mid caps, back to small caps, back to mid caps. Yeah, but I'm not fighting the market, man. I'm fighting myself. You think so? I mean, I see it though. I see it like is absurd. uh, yeah, I mean, I didn't feel like super great about Rocket Lab about the on the daily. I mean, it looked like it had a possibility to do something over this candle, but it's honestly just trading inside of a range right now for the last 5 weeks. I guess that's all it does up here. Oh my God, Jack. I just wanted a big green day and I wanted my money back from these stocks, even though they were giving me zero opportunities. I went and traded them anyway. On the downtrend, nice little high a day buy right there. Looks like a couple people paid more than me, so I wasn't like the absolute dumbest person in this trade. Got like probably a few orders over mine. uh, nah, that ain't it, home runner. If you gave me the perfect strategy with all the rules and this is all you got to do. All you got to do is do this. When you see this, do that, and boom. And that would be my, strategy with edge and all that, right? But if I come in and do dumb stuff, doesn't matter, man. I've seen my strategy do amazing things. I had my best week of the year last week. And but it's like this vicious cycle, man, that every time I do good, I start veering away from the things that made me good. That and the market changes. And I really don't know how to sit on my hands when my edge is not present. It's only my strategy when it works. I'm missing it, Paul. What's the Yeah, that's there it is, Jack. It's literally it. Now everything's popping. Here's that Rocket Lab trade that Uncle Paul said was stupid. uh, Let me get a little confidence builder here while I'm getting beat up. This is my best trade of the year. 35R on Tesla. I need to go back and see this day. Did I record this day? This couldn't have really been 35R. Could it really? What day was this? February 13th. It's still stupid. Went up 10 cents. um, oh yeah, I remember this day. 11. Okay, so I was doing 11R by 35. So what was that? Yeah, I thought 35. There, I do have a 35R trade, but that ain't it. uh, okay, 11R trade, $3 risk. Man, what a day. Broken clock strat. I do need a downtrend, but it would have to be super scalpy to make sense because the longs just don't work downtrending. Yeah, we got to figure out how to keep me out of downtrends. Come on, let's put our heads together. Hmm. I really don't want to trade downtrends though. I honestly, I'd rather not trade at all. I know that sounds crazy given my track record, but I really don't want to trade downtrending stocks. Um, it's just desperation and knowing that there's nothing else. Like my whole basket is red, and I wanna make it better. Like literally, my whole basket of stocks. Oh, you talking about the? Well, it was gapping up, bro. It was gapping up pre-market. It was running pre-market. You know, the RVOL was like 1,000% in pre-market. And I'm just looking at the daily. It's bouncing off of this 200 EMA. Got a high here, a higher high here. It looked like it, you know. On top of that, it was gapping up over yesterday's high. Pretty strong pre-market. Well, it did get weak towards the end. Yeah, so basically I'm trying to catch the beginning of the uptrend, right? Like after a pullback, I want to get in on that first higher high, higher low, like that first sign of an uptrend. And I'm using the EMA now to kind of gauge that, to give me a little perspective. Um, I did buy this below the EMA, but this was a 5 minute 5 minute entry on here. I really like this narrow range inside hammer candle here, and so I bought that. And so this one doesn't, like, the entry doesn't really fit, like as far as like a picture perfect pattern. Did I take any like good looks? Well, I guess I'm just trying to explain why I had it up on my chart, like why I was watching it today. But yeah, I will agree that when I traded it, um, it wasn't good. I will agree there. Okay, so like daily setup, I daily setup, I'm looking for almost an intraday setup on the daily, like something, a pattern on the daily that I would like if I saw it intraday that I would want to buy, like some sort of good gap up over resistance, over previous highs, or especially if like the previous day was a hammer candle into support. Um, nah, that I really don't consider myself a small cap trader either, Jack. But um, 75 cents, bro. I can't imagine. This chart is terrible. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to buy anything below. uh, It's so hard for me to stay out of them, though, man. Yeah, it definitely looks strong. Hmm. Thing been grinding, huh? Yeah, I mean, Rocket Lab's not a small cap, is it? But yeah, PRTG and MLGO are, and hmm. Yeah, I just FOMO'd both of my entries on Rocket Lab and PRTG, and then proceeded to long the downtrend, try to long the downtrend the rest of the day. That's just I appreciated trading time. That's what's up, man. I need them good vibes right now. Uh, MLGO looks ripe. Yeah, it definitely it was cool. I got that on the 5 too. But yeah, I should have sold it all up there. But you know, we always trying to get to the promised land. Yeah, I only sold like I don't know how many shares I had. I think I had 8 shares and I sold 2 up there. But then I moved my stop to break even. Even after the ad, my stop was at break even. So yeah, you ain't lying, OG. You ain't lying, bro. I've had many a time where I was like, all right, man, we good. I got it. Including the start of this week. Including the start of this week. Man, just completely thrashed the whole month in a week. Mechanical trading strategy. Yeah. I miss Max Loss being at 3R. Yeah, I'm still pretty much in sync with the market, man. That's wild. Got 3 reds. I guess. Well, I sure wasn't in sync these 2 days. What is this? Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, it's been all red. Yeah, I think whenever the SPY is down, it there's I can only trade small caps. I gotta master the downtrend, man. I really gotta get in sync with the. I'm not doing the hardest part. What's that? I got the uptrend, bro. I need to master seeing it and recognizing it and staying out of it. No, no, you don't. Well, I haven't mastered it, but I mean, I do decent in general in an uptrend. Market was going up since November. Yeah, but my stock selection is horrible. I've only just now really, well, I was a couple weeks ago, and now I'm trying to get back to really focusing on picking the right stocks in the morning. I need to become good at not trading. What's up, Brandon? Yeah, I gotta learn how not to trade. No. um, how can I put those on the screen? Oh, I can just send them, I guess. Um, I got some cool pictures of some bathrooms I did last year. I did one recently that I feel is kind of ugly because I don't like the colors that the customer picked, but you know, whatever. Check it out, check it out. Not on me. Let's see.
Now check it out.
They wanted a barn door, which this was a full window back here that I had to.
Still gotta get it fixed.
Some pictures.
Water heater. Yeah.
Expanding the business. I'm just so not passionate about this, man. I just, I really,
Check it
Like, I
out.
mean,
Check it.
it feels good to complete a project and like, you know, it looked good and all of that, but like I just don't love it, you know? So it's really hard for me to do all the things to expand it and make it, you know, take it to the next level. But I mean, this trading is just not getting to getting where I need it to be fast enough. Um, I got another bathroom I did. It was probably one of the coolest ones I've done. He wanted it to be a smart bathroom, so he got like a smart toilet, a smart shower head. Uh, where is this thing? Bruh. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel, Brandon. I just like I hate going to work, man. Bro, I cannot find these bathroom pics. Okay, here we go. That's not really a great one. I guess that's all I got. This is one. I got way cooler pictures of it, but I just can't find it. Let's see. You know, AI search on photos has gotten really good. I wrote my kids' social security numbers on a piece of paper. Well, my wife wrote it on a piece of paper and sent me the picture years ago, and I was looking for it, and I just typed in Google handwritten numbers, and it pulled up all my pictures with handwritten numbers. You good at it? I appreciate it, Pharaoh. Um, yeah. But anyway, it's a smart toilet and it's a smart mirror. The mirror is actually super cool. Oops. Yeah, it's got the bidet. It's got a warmer for the seat. Like as soon as you walk over to it, the lid pops open and the seat starts heating and you sit down. This thing right here is the remote for it. And so you can control the sprays. It's got like um I don't know, all kind of weird stuff that you never would have thought you needed. And then the mirror has LED and like three different light modes. I can't remember what else it does. But yeah, it's a super cool toilet for sure. But yeah, man, been appreciate you guys. Yeah, everybody who sees my work is like, bro, like, why are you not running a massive business? And I just like, I want to be a trader, man. Yeah, you're absolutely right, Paul. That's got to be my focus from here on, man. For right now, that's definitely the weakest part of my game is recognizing when something's not in play anymore. Like, yeah, it could have been done all those great things in pre-market, like you said, but when I chose to trade it, it was not. It was not that. Yeah, I like the 2 minute a lot too, Leon. I just hate hiding information, but the two gets real clean. Yeah, that was real nice of you, Brandon. That was real nice. Yeah, 5 and the 1 is my bag, and I really feel like small caps, bro, shouldn't even touch him on the 1. Just straight enter him on the 5. I'm almost feeling like that about every trade actually. And you know what, Brandon? I've thought about that, but because I'm a long trader, I'm like, well, I can't trade every day if because if it goes down, then I can't trade it. But now I'm just looking at my P&L against the SPY, and all the down days I'm red. And it's like, well, I shouldn't be trading those days anyway. So it's almost like I just might as well trade the market. But wow, that would have been cool, huh? Hmm. Interesting. Definitely something to think about. I got a lot to think about over the weekend, man. 6R on PRTG. Oh my god. This one hurt a lot. And this one. This one hurt more because I had added already. I think I lost 3R on this trade, 2R on that one, and then 1R on this one. All right. I bet most of my losses are downtrends like that. Hmm. Where those three are super extended. Dang, this is a sad stop out right here. Oh, this from yesterday, ain't it? All right. Well, I got homework this weekend. Um, try to go through and tag all my trades from the week and see what I can gather. Probably put together a weekend review video, talk about things, and got to tighten up my criteria for sure on what's in play and what's not, what's tradable and what's not. PRTG. Oops, my bad. I'm already there. He said 1289. So this wouldn't have been back in play till what, over pre-market highs? Man. Billy 101. Oh, on PRTG right now? All right, y'all. I got to get out of here, man. Got a few things to do. A lot of things to do. Thanks for hanging out, man. Appreciate all you guys' input and all of that. I'll digest all of that and spend some time this weekend going over things, and hopefully we can have a better week next week. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I don't want nothing to do with those. That's all. Trey, every time I get slapped up is from buying too high. Like, I don't never get slapped up when I buy low. 30% a month is over 2K% a year. Keep it basic. Yeah. I'm ready to take profits super quick. Like MLGO today. I don't know if y'all saw my review video, but Pond came and asked me for my top 3 trades so we could talk about them, and I realized they all had a bunch of executions. Like, I wasn't holding for big wins. I was just selling on the way up. And so I did do that today. Just got to take that into next week with me, along with some much better stock selection and the idea and the willingness to not trade. Yeah, that part, even though I overtraded the heck out of the 3, but I do feel like it's a small W that I don't have 6 stocks traded. Yeah. So yeah, it's a little dub, a little baby dub. But I'll be trading. I feel you, Paul. I opened the stream up earlier today, actually, just so I could talk about, my picks and see what y'all had. Cause, I definitely felt questionable about Rocket Lab. I did like both of these, but, anyway, all right, for real, I'm out. Hit that like button for me, y'all. Subscribe if you haven't. And y'all be safe out here. Have a good weekend, man. Peace. I'm down, Leon. Let's do it. All right, bet. All right, y'all. Be easy. Holla.